Hello friends, today I want to delve into a deep topic with you. We're going to explore how we deal with unfair situations around us and how we maintain our inner peace. This experience will take you on an inner journey and show you how to stay strong in the face of injustice. If you're new here, I welcome you with warmth. On this platform, we dive deep into discussions about positive energy and spiritual development. Today, we'll tackle the concept of karma and explore its effects on our lives. Karma teaches us that every action has a consequence. So, every constructive or destructive action comes back to us. Understanding this concept gives us a deeper perspective on events around us and helps us maintain our inner peace. Maintaining our inner peace can be challenging when we encounter injustice. However, these experiences teach us something. Inner strength requires internal effort. Releasing negative energy and maintaining positive thinking protects us from negativity. Every challenge we face is actually an opportunity. When we seize these opportunities, we experience inner growth and development. Maintaining our inner peace empowers us to overcome challenges and gain a wiser perspective. Dealing with injustice not only protects ourselves, but also allows us to explore and develop our inner strength. These experiences help us understand the truths of life and make us more whole as individuals. Everything happens for a reason, and every experience offers a learning opportunity. When we encounter injustice, maintaining our inner peace and preserving positive thinking allows us to steer our lives in a more positive direction. In conclusion, maintaining our inner peace helps us overcome all kinds of challenges in our lives. These experiences strengthen us and give us inner power. Releasing negative energy and preserving positive thinking make our lives more meaningful and fulfilling. Hold on to your inner peace with every step and preserve positive thinking. This protects you from negativity and guides your life in a better direction. Finding your inner peace is the key to true happiness. Are you ready to embark on this journey?